Did you know? There might be invisible black holes floating through space right now, completely undetectable because they don't emit light. Also, black holes can slow down entire galaxies. They drag space-time with them, causing everything around them to twist and distort. Here's the kicker. Black holes could make particles act like time travelers, looping in and out of the past and future near the event horizon. Last but the freakiest, there could be mini black holes the size of atoms on Earth right now, leftovers from the Big Bang, completely undetected. Wait! Here are 3 shocking facts that school didn't teach you. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. In 1896, Britain and Zanzibar went to war, and Britain won faster than you can watch an episode of your favorite show. In 1518, a mysterious dancing plague struck a town in France, where people literally danced non-stop for days, and no one knows why. Here's a timeline twist. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the Great Pyramids. Subscribe for more. Did you know? Your body is hiding secrets that will drive you insane. Your stomach isn't just tough, it's a battlefield. Every 3 days, your stomach gets a new lining to prevent its own acid from eating it alive. If it didn't, your own body could digest itself from the inside out. You think you're still growing? You actually shrink by about ½ an inch every day. It's only when you sleep that your spine stretches back to its full height. This daily shrinkage happens because gravity compresses your spine while you're standing or sitting. Right now, your body is glowing, but you can't see it. Humans emit light, but it's 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. There's a good chance your body contains traces of stardust. Every atom in your body comes from ancient stars that exploded billions of years ago. Your heart creates enough pressure when it pumps to squirt blood 30 feet away. Enter the Bermuda Triangle, where nothing comes back the same. Fact number 1. Over 1,000 ships and planes have vanished in the triangle, without even sending a distress signal. It's like they were swallowed by the ocean, leaving no trace behind. Fact number 2. Some survivors report seeing ghost ships, vessels that disappeared decades ago, sailing aimlessly in the triangle before vanishing again into thin air. Fact number 3. Flight 19's final transmission was chilling. Pilots reported, "We're entering white water. Nothing seems right. We can't tell where we are." Minutes later, they were gone forever. 3 dark secrets of America you probably didn't know. In 1962, the US planned false attacks on its own soil to justify a war with Cuba. Thankfully, President Kennedy stopped it, but the idea existed. For 2 decades, the CIA secretly tested mind-control drugs on unwitting citizens. It's called MK Ultra, and some of its victims still suffer today. For 40 years, the government let hundreds of black men suffer untreated syphilis just to see what would happen. No apologies can erase that horror. History hides secrets, but they can't stay buried forever. Mars is crazier than you think. Here's why. Mars gets hit by planet-sized dust storms that can last for months. Imagine Earth covered in dust for weeks. Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. And even crazier, scientists think it might still be active. Scientists have discovered lakes of liquid water beneath Mars' polar ice caps. Life on Mars might be closer than we think. Which Mars fact blew your mind? Drop a comment and hit subscribe for more space-shocking facts.
All you need is 5 apps to take over the world. ChatGPT, everybody's talked about. To keep the other 4 in my mind, I have an acronym I call Mrs. G. MRSG. Midjourney, Runway, because some people be writing, Suno, Gamma. ChatGPT, and then Mrs. G. Midjourney, Runway, Suno, Gamma. With those 5, whatever you are doing right now, you can do better. Whatever you're doing right now, you can dominate. You can go faster. You can save money. You can make what you already are doing more beautiful, more impactful.